Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. Ever feel like formatting a document takes twice as long as actually writing it? Stop clicking through those menus at the top of your screen. Here are 7 lightning-fast Microsoft Word tricks that will completely change how you work. But before diving into the details, if you like such contents and you want to see similar contents, click on subscribe button. In this way, you can see similar contents and also more tutorials. Let's get started. First, what if you copy text from the internet or another file, or it brings over ugly fonts, weird colors, and strange spacing? Don't fix it manually. You can see here the font, the text, and the color, everything is different. Just highlight the messy text and press Ctrl spacebar. This instantly strips away all custom formatting and resets it to your clean default style. Second one, when you want to edit a sentence, clicking and dragging usually grabs too much or too little text. Instead, hold down the Ctrl key and click anywhere inside the sentence. Word highlights the entire thing perfectly, from capital letter to period, in one single click. So you can select every sentence you want in this way. And third one, stop tapping the backspace key 15 times just to erase a long word. Hold on Ctrl backspace to delete the entire word to the left of your cursor at once, or Ctrl delete to do the exact same things for the word to the right. Let's show you. For example, here, if I press Ctrl backspace, you can see that the pressure is completely deleted, wind, net, there, and the space is also deleted. If I press Ctrl delete, you can see that for, the, building, is, derived, every word is wholly deleted. And number 4, this next one is a massive time saver. Let's say you just highlighted the heading, made it bold, and changed the color. Instead of doing that for every other heading in your document, just highlight the next piece of your text and press F4 or Ctrl Y. Word instantly repeats your very last formatting action. For example, if I have bolded this text, everywhere I click and press F4, you can see that the other texts are also bolded, similar to the action I've done. And you can also do this with Ctrl Y. Both will do the same thing. Number 5, stop using the font drop-down menu just to see if a title looks better, a little bit bigger. Highlight your text and press Ctrl close bracket to make the font exactly 1 point larger, like this, 13, 14, 15, or Ctrl open bracket, like this, to make it smaller. You can watch it resize in real time until it looks perfect. Now for 2 secret bonus tricks. Need some quick placeholder text to test a layout or a font? Don't waste time typing gibberish. Just type RAND on a brand new line and hit enter. In this way, not only RAND simply, you can write RAND, and in the bracket you should write 2 numbers. For example, if you write 3 and 4, it means that you need 3 paragraphs and 4 sentences in each paragraph. So enter, you can see that the random text is added according to the setting you set. There are 3 paragraphs and every paragraph have 4 sentences. If it doesn't work, make sure you are at the start of a blank line and your replace text as you type setting is turned on. If you do it here at the end of text, like this, 2 and 3, it doesn't work at all and it's like as normal text. And please check that in the option, in the advanced part, typing replaces selected text is enabled. And last one, if you prefer the classic design placeholder, type Lorem instead of RAND and hit enter. Again, you have to define the number of paragraphs like this, 2 and 5, for example, 2 paragraphs with 5 sentences in each paragraph. If I hit enter, you can see that 2 paragraphs are added and each paragraph has 5 sentences. Designers use this scrambled Latin text because it mimics the natural flow of English words without distracting anyone with the meaning of the text. Believe it or not, it actually comes from a 2,000-year-old philosophical work on ethics written by a Roman statesman, Cicero, in 45 BC, which typesetters later scrambled to use as a printing sample. It's the perfect offline trick for designing templates cleanly. Drop a comment below with which one of these tricks is going to save you the most time today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick productivity guides. See you in the next video.